Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Make sure the phone has internet and at least 15% battery, and that you're signed into the same Google account. On a computer or another phone, go to Find My Device and sign in with that account. Once you see the device on the map, select it. This begins the unlock workflow. You're starting remote control. This is how the service verifies possession and connectivity, so the next commands will reach your phone. Now choose the action. Pick Secure Device to set a temporary PIN and message, which lets you unlock without wiping data. Once done, enter the new PIN on the phone. If Secure Device fails, for example, if encryption blocks it, use Erase Device to perform a factory reset. This removes the lock but deletes data. Make sure to monitor the status on the Find My Device page and keep the browser or app open while finish by following on-screen steps. If you set a temporary PIN, unlock and then remove it in Settings. If you erase the phone, sign in with the same Google account to restore. If the device was offline, the command will run when it reconnects, so try calling or sending an SMS to wake it. If activation lock blocks access, use Google Account Recovery to prove ownership. Otherwise, contact your device maker or carrier for help. One key tip: stay patient and verify account credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.